In this video, we explain how to use Hauseit's net effective rent calculator, which is available at www.hauseit.com. The calculator allows you to compute net effective rent from gross rent. The calculator also allows you to estimate your total monthly and annual net effective rent, including broker fees and moving expenses. Once you've loaded the calculator, the first step is to input your gross rent, lease term, and the number of free months being offered by the landlord. You can also input the broker fee percentage. If the broker fee is 1 month, the annual percentage equivalent you should use is 8.33%. If you're receiving any other discounts from your landlord, put this dollar amount in the Additional Landlord Concession Box. If you're receiving a Hauseit rental broker fee credit, you may input this dollar amount in the Broker Fee Concession Box. Feel free to add your moving expenses as well if you'd like to include this as part of your total monthly rental expenses. Once you've completed all the inputs, the calculator will show both your monthly and annual net effective rent. The calculator will also show your rental broker fee and compute your monthly and annual net effective rent inclusive of broker fees and moving expenses. Thinking of renting an apartment in New York City? Save money on your next rental with Hauseit. Hauseit has saved New Yorkers millions of dollars in commission since 2014, and we'd love to help you too. Subscribe to our channel and check us out at www.hauseit.com.